A blessed day to you, dear learners. Welcome to an enriching journey of discovery. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of anthropology, exploring human evolution, culture, and diversity. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please take all necessary precautions as you immerse yourself in this video. May you be guided, protected, and inspired as you continue your quest for knowledge. Join me on the Teach Illumaban YouTube channel for an enlightening experience, where we'll explore ideas, sharpen skills, and celebrate the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Anthropology is derived from the Greek words anthropos, man, and logos, study. It is the scientific study of humanity, focusing explicitly and directly on all varieties of people across the world. Anthropology traces human evolution and cultural development from millions of years ago to the present day, Ember, 1993. It examines the physical, social, and cultural attributes of human populations, aiming to understand the diversity and commonalities among them. Ang antropolohiya ay nagmula sa mga salitang Griego na anthropos, tao, at logos, pag-aaral. Ito ay ang siyentipikong pag-aaral ng sangkatauhan na tahasan at direktang nakatuon sa lahat ng uri ng tao sa buong mundo. Sinusubaybayan ng antropolohiya ang ebolusyon ng tao at pag-unlad ng kultura mula sa milyon-milyong taon na ang nakalilipas hanggang sa kasalukuyan, Ember, 1993. Sinusuri nito ang pisikal, panlipunan, at kultural na katangian ng mga populasyon ng tao na naglalayong maunawaan ang pagkakaiba-iba at pagkakatulad sa kanila. Two major disciplines of anthropology. First, physical anthropology. Second, cultural anthropology. Dalawang pangunahing disiplina ng antropolohiya. Una, pisikal na antropolohiya. Pangalawa, antropolohiyang pangkultura. First, physical anthropology. Physical anthropology, also known as biological anthropology, concerns itself with human biological evolution and human variation over time and across populations. Paleontology or paleoanthropology, a subfield that examines fossil remains to understand the biological evolution of humans and their ancestors. Una, pisikal na antropolohiya. Ang pisikal na antropolohiya, na kilala rin bilang biolohikal na antropolohiya, ay may kinalaman sa biolohikal na ebolusyon ng tao at pagkakaiba-iba ng tao sa paglipas ng panahon at sa mga populasyon. Paleontology o paleoanthropology, ang isang subfield na sumusuri sa fossil ay nananatiling maunawaan ang biological evolution ng mga tao at kanilang mga ninuno. Second, cultural anthropology. Cultural anthropology deals with the study of human cultures, their development, and variations. It is further divided into three primary areas. Pangalawa, antropolohiyang pangkultura. Ang antropolohiyang pangkultura ay tumatalakay sa pag-aaral ng mga kultura ng tao, ang kanilang pag-unlad, at mga pagkakaiba-iba. Ito ay higit pang nahahati sa tatlong pangunahing lugar. Linguistics focuses on the study of language, including historical linguistics, examines the origin and evolution of languages. Descriptive or structural linguistics analyzes the structure and function of languages in different cultures. Social linguistics investigates how language usage varies based on social contexts and cultural settings. Linguistika, nakatuon sa pag-aaral ng wika, kabilang ang historical linguistics, sinusuri ang pinagmulan at ebolusyon ng mga wika. Descriptive o structural linguistics, sinusuri ang istruktura at tungkulin ng mga wika sa iba't ibang kultura. Social linguistics, sinisiyasat kung paano nag-iiba-iba ang paggamit ng wika batay sa mga kontekstong panlipunan at mga setting ng kultura. Archaeology concentrates on cultural history by studying material remains of past societies, such as tools, pottery, and structures. Archaeologists work to reconstruct and interpret historical cultures. Ethnology, a branch of cultural anthropology that studies cultural variation among living populations. Ethnologists compare and analyze cultural practices, beliefs, and social structures to understand the diversity and universality of human cultures. Arkeolohiya, nakatuon sa kasaysayan ng kultura sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral ng mga material na labi ng mga nakaraang lipunan, tulad ng mga kasangkapan, palayok, at mga istruktura. Ang mga arkeologo ay nagtatrabaho upang muling buuin at bigyang kahulugan ang mga kulturang pangkasaysayan. Etnolohiya, isang sangay ng antropolohiyang pangkultura na nag-aaral ng pagkakaiba-iba ng kultura sa mga nabubuhay na populasyon. Ang mga ethnologist ay naghahambing at nagsusuri ng mga kultural na kasanayan, paniniwala, at istrukturang panlipunan upang maunawaan ang pagkakaiba-iba at pagiging pangkalahatan ng mga kultura ng tao.
Hey there, future anthropologists. Ever wondered how humans evolved and why we have so many different cultures? Hey there, future anthropologists. Ever wondered how humans evolved and why we have so many different cultures? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of anthropology. Stick around because this is going to be mind-blowing. Anthropology? It's a big word with an even bigger story behind it. Derived from the Greek words anthropos meaning man and logos meaning study, anthropology is all about understanding humanity in all its forms. Let's break it down into its two main disciplines: physical anthropology and cultural anthropology. First up, physical anthropology. Also known as biological anthropology, this field focuses on our biological evolution and variations over time. Imagine digging up ancient fossil remains to piece together the puzzle of human evolution. That's what paleontologists do. They examine these fossils to understand how we and our ancestors have changed over millions of years. Now let's talk about cultural anthropology. This is where it gets really exciting. Cultural anthropology explores human cultures, their development, and their amazing diversity. It's divided into three main areas: linguistics, archaeology, and ethnology. Linguistics dives into the study of languages. We have historical linguistics, which looks at the origin and evolution of languages. Descriptive or structural linguistics analyzes the structure and function of languages in different cultures. And sociolinguistics investigates how language varies in different social and cultural contexts. Archaeology, on the other hand, is like being a detective of the past. By studying material remains like tools, pottery, and structures, archaeologists reconstruct and interpret the lives of historical cultures. Finally, ethnology. This branch compares and analyzes cultural practices, beliefs, and social structures among living populations. Ethnologists work to understand both the diversity and the common threads that connect all human cultures. So why is anthropology important? Because it gives us a holistic view of humanity, integrating biology, culture, and history to provide a comprehensive understanding of who we are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick dive into anthropology, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating explorations into the world of humans.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on social science. Reviewer, if you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.